Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Wi-Fi and data at the same time on Android. So all you have to do is tap the setting button and you can search or scroll down, or you want to type using the filter search by tap the build number, this one, and you can tap several times, 1 2 3 4, and done. You have to enter lock screen and developer mode is active. You have to go back, scroll down on, or you can search in the setting developer. If there is not, you can try to search in the additional setting, and this one, developer option. So this is the developer mode on my device. It can be different, but the point is you have to search the developer mode. So try to scroll down, try to search this. Always keep mobile data active. Always keep mobile data active even when Wi-Fi is active. For fast network switching, you can turn this on. So it is done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.